Hello and welcome to Fresh Eyes Art Creator channel. Today, we're going to talk about 5 ways to improve your programming skills for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your programming skills to the next level, these tips will help you develop the essential skills you need to succeed. The first tip is to start with the basics. This means learning the fundamental concepts of programming such as data types, variables, and control structures. You can start with free online tutorials or courses that cover these topics, or read a programming book to learn the basics. The second tip is to practice coding every day. Like any skill, programming requires practice to develop. Try to set aside at least 30 minutes to an hour each day to practice coding. You can start by writing simple programs or working on small projects to build your skills. The third tip is to join a coding community. This means connecting with other programmers who share your interests and can offer advice and support. You can join online forums, social media groups, or attend local coding meetups to network with other programmers. The fourth tip is to work on real-world projects. This means applying your programming skills to solve real-world problems or create useful applications. You can start with small projects such as building a calculator or creating a simple game, and then gradually work your way up to more complex projects. The fifth and final tip is to never stop learning. This means staying up to date with the latest programming languages, tools, and techniques. You can attend online workshops, read programming blogs, or take online courses to continue developing your skills and knowledge. To recap, the 5 tips to improve your programming skills are: starting with the basics, practicing coding every day, joining a coding community, working on real-world projects, and never stop learning. By following these tips, you can develop the essential programming skills you need to succeed. Remember, programming requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to learn. With the right mindset and approach, anyone can become a skilled programmer. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fresh content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.